Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel to help it grow. Today I've set us a fun tablescape. I know many of you were hoping for fall, but it's still too hot here in the south. Only recently have we had some cooler temperatures. Last week it was up in the upper 90s, so I just haven't started pumpkining just yet. So I have one more last summer tablescape to bring you. This is my Taco Tuesday's Tablescape. I'm doing lots of colorful dishes with fresh flowers and a rainbow color scheme. So let's take a look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a royal blue tablecloth that I picked up on eBay. In lieu of chargers, I'm going to use these fun placemats. They have little ball fringe that goes around the edge, and there are different colors. This is the red one. I have blue and yellow. I picked these up at the Dollar General store a couple years ago. I'm going to be pairing with it some colorful dishes. This is the lime green dinner plates. These, they say home. I picked them up thrifting. I don't know who carries that brand, if it's Walmart or Target, but I thought they were colorful, and I'm mixing all the different colors. And here's the orange salad plate. For my flatware, I'm using this fun colored flatware. I picked this up at Walmart several years ago. It's inexpensive, but I like the fun colors. For my glasses, I'm using these pretty Fiesta ware glasses. They have the colorful stripes growing around. I picked those up at a roadside attraction. Then they have lots and lots of Fiesta ware, and I do have Fiesta ware as well, and I thought those were perfect for fun, bright tables. I'm also going to be using these silly little mugs. They're cactus mugs. I think they're so cute. They're some kind of resin, and we picked these up at Dollar Tree. I have these fun striped napkins. I'm going to use those. And for a final little Fiesta touch, I have these maracas, and I'm just putting one at each place setting. Here for my centerpiece today, I've used my Limelight hydrangeas. They're turning a soft green this time of year, and I've put them in this canary yellow little planter. You guys may be getting tired of my hydrangeas, but I've got so many I like to use them. It won't be long and they'll be turning brown for the winter. Here on each side, I have my cute little Fiesta guys. They've got their sombreros on. These I picked up years ago at Marshall's, and I've just set them on a little metal red cake stand. But I've got a pair of those. I used to use these on my taco tables when the children were little, and my nephew Logan, he gave it one of these to see if he could find the guy's face, but there's no face. And at this corner of the table, I have a cute little dish. It has little tri-bowls in different colors with some little painting maracas and a little sombrero inside. This is a little Mexican toy. I'm not going to try to tell you the name of it because I will mess it up. I don't know how you play with it, but I thought it was cute and colorful. I think I picked that up at a thrift store. And I've got a little miniature guitar. I thought that was cute. I have these set of cows, colorful cows. This is a black one with flowers, but I've got striped ones too. I picked these up years ago at Dollar Tree, well back when they had cute stuff. There's another one. And I always would use them for some reason with my Mexican tables and my Fiesta tables, taco tables. And my nephew, when he was little, the children, I'd ask them if they wanted to help me put the dishes on the table. And the youngest, he said, I'll put the cows out. He thought everybody had cows on their table. But I don't know what these have to do with tacos, but I thought they were cute. And here I've got a cute little Mexican mask. It's terracotta and kind of like a sun face. It's colorfully painted. And I've used some Pioneer Woman candles. These are yellow jar candles, and I've got some red ones too. I picked those up at Walmart on clearance. And I have my pepper, salt and pepper shakers. And at this corner of the table, this is an African dish, North African dish. It's supposed to have a liner, but it's missing that. And there again, it's an odd name, so I'm not going to try to pronounce it. But I thought that went nicely with my theme. And here I've got another red maraca. I have a basket upstairs with 50 of those in it, and I thought they were kind of fun. Here I've got my taco holder. It's a terracotta with a sun face. And mixed in, I've got some pepper dishes. This is a green chili pepper, and there's a red chili pepper, and somewhere there's an orange one. Here's another striped cow. And we've got an orange maraca. And this is a cute little cactus vase. And there's another pepper. This is the little yellow placemat. I thought those were so fun. Somebody online was saying you shouldn't put mats and placemats and tablecloths together, but oh well, we'll just do what we want to. And here at this corner of the table, I've stacked 2 cake stands. These are Vaseline glass, and they're Mosier. This is the cutest little sombrero box. It says Mexico, this little woven hat. I guess somebody brought that back from a vacation. I got it in an estate sale. And I've just put some more little chili peppers and another maraca there. Here's a yellow striped cow. Here I've used some cute little glass cactuses. Mother called me one day from the thrift store and said, "Do you want any cactuses?" I said, "Yes, I do." I thought they were pretty cute. And I knew I would pair them in with my taco themed tablescape. But guys, this is proof, even for something as ordinary as a taco, you can set a cute and whimsical table. I love elegance. I like elegant tables, but I love silly fun tables too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and share it with a friend. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.